protected every leaf from sun, rain, storm, examining the work of destiny. No matter how good he is at it, fate will test him. In one such test of fate, the tree lost its most important branch,
the one with which it was supposed to spend its entire life. That day I saw the tree cry for the first time. That day the tree wept in torrents, crying and saying, "My well-arranged family is messed up." Such a strong,
brave, strong-willed tree cried. Surprising, isn't it? Wondering if someone with such a strong spirit can ever cry. Yes, it can. When something unexpected happens in life, even big banyan trees shed tears.
as fate takes hard tests. In the same way, sometimes the path is made straight. Destiny took away the branch from the tree instead of attaching a new branch to the tree, which started to support the other branches of the tree as before.
The tree learned to laugh again. Each of its branches began to laugh again. Fate has tested him many times. Each and every branch has been hit. Sometimes in the form of harsh sun,
Sometimes in the form of heavy rains and sometimes in the form of storms. But each time the tree took it upon itself and kept its branches safe. The tree is still fighting the test of destiny. This journey should continue.
No matter how much I write about the tree, it will not end. Just want to express that I am proud to be a branch of such a tree. Allah Ta'ala has sent me as a part of this tree on this day in the late 90s. Millions of thanks to God. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. O Allah, grant success to the tree in all trials. Amen. Has been seen very closely. The tree keeps itself very strong in any condition. Does not break easily. I have seen him fight many big storms. Never gave up. Overcoming hundreds of obstacles, it has maintained its every branch.
Not even a single page was allowed to go astray. Each branch is selflessly engaged in benefiting even the branches of other trees. The honor and dignity of his clan has increased. Keeping the hereditary tradition, he did not let even a branch of himself bow down.
The tree has many tragedies in its life. Faced many hardships and struggles from childhood to adulthood. However, he never left the path of justice despite the hardships. He developed himself with his own labor, talent and intelligence.
From a very young age, he has risen to the top according to his own merits. But he did not allow his pride to come close to him. Violence is not subjugated. He has taken care of every branch of himself at every moment.
But the tree could throw away everything and focus only on its branches. Could go higher, but he keeps branch as well as branch. Protected every leaf from sun, rainstorm, storm.